Are you a 吃货 foodie? In every Chinese city, there are fast, affordable, and delicious restaurants available on the street or at traditional markets. In English, we call this street food, hawker fare, stall food, or food vendors. You can sit on a small chair and hear the sounds of the city while enjoying a great value in dining. The owners don't need to spend on decoration, so you can enjoy amazing meals at a cheap price. Sure, it's not 5-star, but you will leave happy. In Chinese, we call this 大排档. Of course, the food doesn't come off the street. It is just eaten within view of the street and often past midnight. You will find a huge variety of delicious food at the 大排档. These include various snacks, barbecue, noodle soups, drinks, and many more. Some foods unusual to a foreigner, such as the Chou Tofu, Stinky Tofu, can also be found. You can recognize 大排档 from the simple decor, spices on the table, and disposable 筷子, chopsticks that are easy to grab from any seat. Take a seat and enjoy. Let's see some examples. 今天晚上我们去吃大排档吧。今天晚上我们去吃大排档吧。How about go out for the street food tonight? 其他饭馆都关门了，我们去吃大排档吧。其他饭馆都关门了，我们去吃大排档吧。All the restaurants are closed now, so let's grab some street food. So, when and how we should use 大排档? If your Chinese friends suggest an expensive restaurant and your pockets aren't full, you may simply want some tasty street food. Feel free to express your love of 大排档 and comment on the nice weather outside. 大排档 doesn't describe the type of dish you'd like, so continue the conversation from there. If you enjoyed learning about this topic, please share it with your friends. Thank you.